What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ash, Loving Life, and in this week's video, I'm going to show you a budget-friendly way on how to clean, deep clean the inside of your car using products from in your home. Okay, so in this clear bottle, I have 2 cups of water and 1 cup of white vinegar. This will be used to clean the interior of the car. I have the scrubbing brush to scrub the seats. I use this foaming bathroom cleaner to scrub the passenger seats. I highly recommend that. I used the 409 carpet spray on the driver's seat, which it didn't clean as well as the other spray. And I used baking soda on both of the seats to get the smell and the rest of that dirt lifted up out of those seats. Listen, you guys, I had this car for over 10 years now, and I haven't had these seats cleaned probably since I got the car. And the interior probably hasn't been cleaned in over a year. So please, please, please don't judge me. I really hope this video helps somebody who probably can't go out and get their car clean, or somebody who's just budget friendly like myself. So let's get into this video. So here's another look inside of the car. OMG. Yikes. Don't judge me, judge your mammy. Let's get to cleaning. So here we're going to use our water and vinegar. We're going to spray that in our glove compartment. Then we're going to wipe. We're going to wipe till we cannot wipe no more, girl. Okay? You know, like the song. And that's what we're going to do. And we're going to wipe till that thing is clean like this, baby. Check it out. Water and vinegar. That's it. Okay, we're scrubbing. I know y'all got some toothbrushes in the house. Go get you a toothbrush. Because, baby girl, we got to scrub these corners, get in these cracks, lift up that dirt. Okay? Scrub, baby girl. Scrub that thing good. So when you spray and wipe, you have no problems. Spray, spray, spray. Spray till you can't spray no more. It's just water and vinegar, girl. Spray. Scrub some more. We scrubbing these knobs, baby. Clean around them radios, get that dirt from under there. You see that, and boom, chaka waka 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 waka. Water and vinegar, that's it. Okay, so now we're gonna clean the passenger side door, and it is a mess. Somebody need their butt kicked who been sitting over there. So we're gonna use our water and vinegar, and we're gonna wipe down, you guys. We're gonna keep wiping. Spray and wipe. Ooh, surprise. Look at them cheeks, girl. You need to stop. Okay, and we still wiping. I had to wipe this door so much, you guys. Oh, look at baby Lauren. Aww. And bam, shake-a-lamb. Look at that, though. You go, girl. Water and vinegar. Same thing, you guys. Water and vinegar was used to clean this. And bam. Look at that. That thing look brand new. I am so surprised. Water and vinegar. On to the hard part. Okay, as you can see, I am pouring the baking soda onto the chair. That way, I can get any smells or any dirts lifted up. So I'm rubbing it in. I'm rubbing, trying to get it out everywhere because as of now, the seat is dry. So it's kind of hard to rub it in. But I'm rubbing. Now I'm using my foaming bathroom cleaner. And you can get this at your local Walmart store. It's the Great Value brand of the bubble scrubbles, but they both work the same. And I think this one is like maybe $1 and some change cheaper. And this is the one I use regularly anyways. So I'm spraying this stuff. At this point, I'm probably gonna use the whole bottle. It was a half a bottle. So now I'm rubbing it in. This is after I used the spray. And I'm putting some more spray because that spray dries really fast, you guys. So don't be afraid to use it. I'm rubbing it in. And as you can see, I'm rubbing it in some more. Now on the other side, I clean with the carpet cleaner, and I did the same thing as I'm doing here. I just didn't record it. So this side was used with the bubble, the bathroom bubble stuff. And then the other side I use the carpet cleaner. So right here, now I'm using that brush and I'm scrubbing. I'm dipping the brush into water and I'm just scrubbing, you guys. I'm scrubbing like my arms was hurting so bad after I finished scrubbing this thing because I was really trying to get that dirt, oil, makeup, food residue, anything that was stuck inside that chair, I was going to get it out. So I had to do a lot of scrubbing. And I repeated this step probably like 2 or 3 times. I'm still scrubbing. I'm still scrubbing. And now I'm using 2 hands, you guys. I'm really trying to get it. At this point, I don't know how long I had been scrubbing. It seemed like I ain't do nothing, but your girl really was scrubbing that chair. My back was hurting, but I had to get the job done. The job had to be done, and I was the only one who could do it. I think the more water you use, the better it is. So don't be afraid to dip it in water or use more of the bathroom cleaner. Keep scrubbing, girl. Scrub, scrub, scrub. It's like the seat absorbs that water, man. It was crazy how fast it was drying. I got tired at that point. I just threw it down, you guys. Now look, y'all. This is after I scrub. Look at that dirt coming up. So you want to scrape this. This actually was on the back of my brush. So I just scrape all that dirt up. And then what I'm going to do is use a clean towel and I'm going to wipe it up, because if you don't wipe it up, it's just going to seep back into the chair, causing the chair to hold the dirt. So you want to keep scraping basically until it's clear. So you're just going to keep repeating the process of scrubbing, washing, scrubbing, and then scraping up that dirt and wiping it away. And now I'm at the vacuum place. This is basically to help get some of that water out, get some of them germs out, get, you know, the rest of that dirt out. Now I'm vacuuming my carpet too, you guys. I had to do that. I know y'all probably weren't expecting that, but the floor was dirty too. So we went ahead and did that while we was there. And we vacuumed. By this time, you guys, it's nighttime. I've been cleaning this car all day long. Trying to get this car clean. Trying to get these seats clean for my car. So I'm still vacuuming. Tired. Just want my car clean, you guys. Okay, you guys, as you can see, we are done. Now, this is the driver's side. When I used the 409 spray, that was the turnout. It didn't clean as well as the passenger side with me using the bathroom cleaner. Now, look at that chair. Look how clean that chair is compared to the 409 carpet spray. Now, if all you have is carpet cleaner, I still say you can use that. You'll just need to repeat the process of the scrubbing and wiping and scrubbing and wiping over and over until you come to a good clean. And look at that chair. That thing looked good. Look, water and vinegar. That was all that was used. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to your girl channel. Leave a comment.